These 10 symbolic actions will make you a millionaire. Also, they might enrich your soul and shift your perspective. 1. Release clutter. Imagine decluttering your physical space like decluttering your mind. Remove items that no longer serve you, old clothes, broken gadgets, forgotten trinkets. As you let go, you create space for new energy to flow. 2. Banish negative thoughts. Sweep away mental cobwebs. Negative thoughts, doubt, fear, self-criticism are like dust settling in corners. Use the broom of mindfulness. Replace negativity with affirmations: I am worthy, I attract abundance. 3. Cleanse toxic relationships. Relationships carry energy. Some uplift, others drain. Identify toxic connections, the ones that weigh you down. Gently release them. Surround yourself with people who nourish your spirit. 4. Sweep away resentment. Grudges accumulate like dust bunnies. Grab your inner broom. Forgive, not for their sake, but for yours. Sweep resentment out the door. Lightness follows. 5. Dust off old dreams. Imagine your dreams as neglected furniture. Dust them off. Polish them. Dreams aren't clutter, they're treasures waiting to be rediscovered. Pursue them with renewed vigor. 6. Open windows of gratitude. Windows connect us to the world. Open your inner windows. Breathe in gratitude. Count blessings, the sunrise, a warm meal, laughter. Gratitude is a currency of abundance. 7. Mend broken bridges. Bridges connect shores. Mend broken ones. Reach out to estranged friends or family. Apologize, forgive. Bridges rebuilt carry you toward richer connections. 8. Plant seeds of generosity. Scatter seeds of kindness. Water them with compassion. Generosity isn't just about money, it's about sharing smiles, time, and empathy. The harvest? A heart full of abundance. 9. Replace fear with courage. Fear is a leaky roof. Patch it with courage. Take risks, small or grand. Fear says, what if? Courage says, why not? Abundance favors the brave. 10. Invite silence in. Silence is the empty room awaiting purpose. Invite it. Meditate, reflect, listen. In silence, you find answers, creativity, and the quiet wealth of inner peace. Remember, my fellow seeker, these actions are metaphors. They won't magically create millions, but they might enrich your life in unexpected ways.